write down the definitions. There are 3 new terms. One is ganglion. Ganglion is a group of nerve cell bodies sheathed by the connective tissue, which is now become the ball-like structure little bit. After that, there are 2 new terms. One is who connect the 2 different ganglions. What are these called? These are called which connect the same ganglions. They are called the commissures. And who connect the different ganglions? They are called the connective. Upper one is called which connect the same ganglions, that is called the commissures. This you must learn because this usually come in the exam. This difference. First, this system starts from the buccal cavity, just from the mouth, which is present in the anterior part of the pulmonary chamber. Mouth, around the mouth, just after the mouth, there are present 2 big ganglions. These big ganglions, they are called the cerebral ganglions. These are called the cerebral ganglion. One is present either on the left and right side. As I told you, these cerebral ganglions, they are connected with each other by commissure. So it is called, because the cerebral ganglion attached, so it is called the cerebral commissure. Cerebral commissure. Around the buccal cavity, just below the mouth, there are present another pair of ganglion, which is called the buccal ganglion. Or these buccal ganglions attached with each other, they are called the buccal commissure. This I think clear to everyone why these are called the commissures, who connect the similar ganglions. Now, here we can see this buccal ganglion, they are also connected with this cerebral ganglion. This connection, now, what is this connection is called now? This connection is called cerebrobuccal connective. commissure. It is called pleuropedal commissure. Now there is one, this connection is called pleuropedal commissure. Let's see another side of this. From this individual we can see pedal and pleural ganglion. Now this cerebral ganglion, which is attached with the pleural as well as pedal ganglion. Pleural ganglion and pedal ganglion, which is called ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਹਾਂਗੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋਇਆ ਤੇ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਤੱਕ ਆਇਆ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਹਾਂਗੇ? If it is attached with pedal ganglion, so it is called cerebropedal connective. If it is attached with the pedal, then it is called cerebropedal connective. Because why it is called connective? Because it connects the different ganglions, and this total structure, this cerebral ganglions and pleuropedal ganglions along with the buccal ganglions, they form a rectangular structure around the buccal cavity. ठीक है, around the buccal cavity इस तरह करके बन जाएगा ना, इत्थे plus इस जगह पे plus इस जगह पे इस तरह करके it become a rectangular structure around the buccal cavity, which contain radula and some other parts. I think this is clear. From here there arises, it moves from buccal cavity to enter into the, it is like this, from pulmonary chamber to which chamber? Bronchial chamber. There is present visceral organs above, or they have on the lower side, there is present visceral ganglions which are joining with each other. क्योंकि आपस से जुड़े रही है, इस करके no need of commissure. There are present two visceral ganglions. Visceral ganglions means they are present in soft part of the body, which is called which contain the number of visceral organs. Here this is present here. So there are one more structure like this, as well as there is again another ganglion which is called supraintestinal ganglion. Can you know? As its name indicates, supraintestinal means it is present in the intestine. As the name of the organ depict the position of the ganglion. जो ganglion का नाम की होएगा, जो organ का नाम होएगा, ठीक है ना? ਇਹਦੇ ਤੋਂ ਹੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਡਿਪਿਕਟ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਕਿਹੜਾ organ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਕਿਹੜਾ ganglion. Now this ganglion attached with this pedal ganglion, this is by this, and this is called supraintestinal nerve. Supraintestinal nerve. Connection किस वेले होएगा? जे ए वाले जड़े है, इन्हें nerve क्यों क्या? Because it don't have such function जिड़ा की connective दा function होता है. Its function is it supplies or it control the functioning of the nerves. The definition है that you can also write. What is nerve? Nerve, it is a group of nerve fibers. Group of nerve fibers. Okay, ganglion की सी group of nerve cell bodies. It is a group of nerve fibers, means axon. Or which is encircled by the connective tissue. ठीक है? intra-intestinal connection. Why it is called intra-intestinal connection? Because this is intestinal ganglion which is attached with the visceral organ, which is attached with the visceral organ. So it is called the intra-intestinal visceral connective. इस करके का नाम किया गया. इस तरफ supra intestinal है, so it is called supra intestinal visceral connective. Here it is a intra intestinal visceral connective. This is central nervous system. This is called the central nervous system. Peripheral nervous system, ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ nerves arises from the central nervous system. The nerves which is arises from the central nervous system, that is called the peripheral nervous system. जिस तरह central nervous system in our body, brain and spinal cord. The nerves which is arises from the brain, that is called the cranial nerves, which is arises from our spinal cord, they are called the spinal nerves. Cranial nerves which is arises from the brain. Here brain is equivalent to ganglions. Here brain is equivalent to ganglions. See here you can see this number of, because this is called cerebral ganglion. Cerebral means brain portion, or upper is present cerebral nerves. Cerebral nerves which supplies to the, like there is present two pair of tentacles. याद हो ना, माउथ के इर्द गिर्द there are present first pair of tentacles, second pair of tentacles. They supplies to the first pair of tentacles, that is also called labial pulp. जिन्हां नूं की कहने असीं labial pulp. तो ओनू की कहांगे nerve नूं labial nerve, that is called the labial nerve. After that second pair of tentacles जिन्हां नूं जाके सप्लाई करनगे उस नाम नूं की कहांगे, that is called the tentacular nerve. First is called labial nerve, second is called tentacular nerve, third there are present eyes. There are present eyes ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਣਦੀਆਂ, that is called the optic nerve. ਉੱਥੇ ਦੇਖੋ ਤਿੰਨ ਬਣੀ ਦੀਆਂ ਨਾ,